Hello, welcome to the session on Market Survey and Swatch File Part 2. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to explain the essential steps to create a fabric swatch file, describe the sample swatch file for natural fabrics, describe the sample swatch file for synthetic fabrics, describe the sample swatch file for speciality fabrics. The tools and materials required for swatch file are record note, fabric glue, needle and thread, cotton fabric, silk fabric, linen fabric, polyester fabric, nylon fabric, velvet fabric, suede fabric, leather. Now, let's explore the essential steps to create a fabric swatch book that not only showcases different fabrics but also helps you make informed choices. A fabric swatch book is an essential tool for designers, artisans, and anyone working with textiles. It serves as a comprehensive reference guide offering a tactile and visual representation of various fabrics. A well-organized fabric swatch book can be an invaluable resource for material selection and design inspiration. Let's look at how to create a swatch book. A good fabric swatch book should include a diverse range of materials. Consider including natural fibers like cotton, linen, and silk, as well as synthetic fibers such as polyester and nylon. Additionally, explore specialty fabrics like velvet, suede, leather, and lace to provide a comprehensive selection for various applications. To make the fabric swatch book user-friendly, organize the fabrics into categories. This could include categories based on fiber type, weave, weight, or color. Each fabric swatch should be accompanied by detailed information. Providing this information ensures that users can make informed decisions about the suitability of a fabric for their projects. In the fabric name, clearly state the name of the fabric to facilitate easy identification. Fiber content. List the primary fibers present in the fabric. For example, 100% cotton, polyester blend. Care instructions include washing, drying, and ironing guidelines to help users maintain the fabric's quality. To prevent wear and tear, securely attach each fabric swatch to the swatch book pages. Options include using fabric glue or stitching. Ensure that the swatches are attached flat and securely so that users can examine the texture and drape of each fabric easily. Let's look at creating swatch book for some common natural fabrics along with their names, fiber content, and general care instructions. In cotton, the fiber content is 100% cotton or cotton blends. Care instructions include machine wash in cold water, tumble dry on low, iron on medium heat if needed. Cotton may shrink, so follow specific care labels. In linen, the fiber content is 100% linen. Care instructions include hand wash or machine wash in cold water, preferably on a gentle cycle. Hang dry or tumble dry on low heat. Linen tends to wrinkle, so iron with a hot iron if desired. In silk, the fiber content is 100% silk. Care instructions include dry clean or hand wash in cold water using a mild detergent. Avoid wringing or twisting. Hang to dry and iron on low heat if needed. In wool, the fiber content is 100% wool or wool blends. Can include other animal fibers like alpaca or cashmere. Care instructions include dry clean for tailored garments. Some wool can be hand washed in cold water. Reshape and lay flat to dry. Avoid excessive heat as wool may shrink. In bamboo, the fiber content is bamboo viscose or bamboo blends. Care instructions include machine wash in cold water on a gentle cycle. Tumble dry on low or hang to dry. Bamboo fabric is naturally antibacterial and may require less frequent washing. In jute, the fiber content is natural plant fiber from the jute plant. Care instructions include avoiding exposure to water or moisture, as jute can lose its strength and shape. Spot clean with a dry cloth. Always refer to the care instructions provided on the fabric or garment label, as specific recommendations may vary based on the fabric blend, weave, and any additional treatments applied. Let's look at creating Swatch Book for some common synthetic fibers, along with their names, fiber content, and general care instructions. In polyester, the fiber content is 100% polyester or polyester blends. Care instructions include machine wash in warm water, tumble dry on low heat, or hang to dry. Polyester is resistant to wrinkles and usually does not require ironing. In nylon, the fiber content is 100% nylon or nylon blends. Care instructions include machine wash in cold water, tumble dry on low heat. Nylon is quick drying and often used in active wear. In rayon, the fiber content is regenerated cellulose fiber, semi-synthetic. Care instructions include hand wash or machine wash in cold water. Rayon can shrink when wet, so reshape and dry flat. Iron on low heat if needed. Always check the care instructions provided on the fabric or garment label, as specific recommendations may vary based on the fabric blend, weave, and any additional treatments applied. Understanding the care requirements ensures the longevity and quality of synthetic fabrics. Let's look at creating Swatch Book for specialty fabrics along with their names, fiber content, and general care instructions. In velvet, the fiber content is velvet made from various fibers, including silk, cotton, rayon, or synthetic blends. Care instructions include dry clean is often recommended for velvet to preserve its texture and appearance. If hand washing is necessary, use a mild detergent and cold water. Do not wring or twist. Gently press out excess water. Lay flat to dry or hang vertically to avoid crushing the pile. Use a velvet brush to restore the pile and remove any flattened areas. In suede, the fiber content is suede, typically made from the underside of animal hides, commonly from cows, goats, or sheep. Care instructions include the following. Regularly brush suede with a suede brush to maintain its texture. Use a suede eraser or vinegar solution to remove stains. Avoid exposing suede to water. If it gets wet, blot with a clean cloth and allow it to air dry. Professional cleaning is recommended for more stubborn stains or heavy soiling. In leather, the fiber content is leather, derived from the hides or skins of animals such as cows, sheep, goats, or pigs. Care instructions include the following: wipe leather with a damp cloth to remove surface dirt. Apply a leather conditioner to keep the material supple and prevent drying or cracking. Avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight to prevent fading. Keep leather away from water. If it gets wet, blot with a clean cloth and allow it to air dry. For deeper cleaning or stains, consult a professional leather cleaner. In lace, the fiber content is lace made from a variety of fibers, including cotton, silk, nylon, or polyester. Care instructions include the following: hand wash lace items in cold water with a mild detergent. Avoid wringing or twisting. Gently press out excess water. Lay flat to dry on a clean towel or hang to dry. Use a mesh laundry bag to protect delicate lace during machine washing on a gentle cycle. Iron on the lowest setting if needed, using a pressing cloth to protect delicate fibers. Always check the care instructions provided on the fabric or garment label, as specific recommendations may vary based on the fabric blend and any additional treatments applied. Understanding the care requirements ensures the longevity and quality of specialty fabrics. Let's recap the key points discussed. A fabric swatch book serves as a reference guide, offering a tactile and visual representation of various fabrics. A good fabric swatch book should include a diverse range of materials. Organize the fabrics into categories. Each fabric swatch should be accompanied by detailed information, namely fabric name, fiber content, and care instructions. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding of Market Survey and Swatch File Part 2. See you in the next session.